Peace, everybody. That tower is letting everyone know that we are now approaching, as you hear on the airline, Reagan National Airport. Please stay seated until the plane enters the gate. Paraphrasing. Anyway, the water view. Now here, it gets extremely tight. You have cyclists, which is cool. Of course, you have people checking out the water. But over there, and usually here in this grassy area, it's nothing but people standing around. So the key is to navigate. On your left, you see the cluster over there. But a cool thing is you see the planes arriving. There isn't one yet. But this guy just started slowing down. On your left, it's the airport. No plane, but everyone is waiting. On your left, see you in a few. Nice bike again. This guy with the water cooler. Ice cream for everybody. On your left. All right, everybody. We might see a plane on my way back. Peace.